Good morning, everyone. It's Bill. It is pretty early, 6:30 in the morning on September the 21st. This is the first trade that I have taken here. Just launched into it. Give you the logic a little bit. It's a long pick for the euro. What happened here was in the past, right here, you can't see under these ovals for the order, but there was a spout, or not a spout, HLB that fired off over there. In the middle of the night, we had this huge run up to 13,056. There was actually a trade right here off the profit pivots if you were awake, where you could have waited for a red bar to paint and just gone short, and you could have rode this thing all the way down. I'm doing the opposite. It rode all the way down to this lower profit pivot line. There was also a spout down, so everything they got in the middle of the night they just gave back, and now I'm playing the bounce back up. It was pricing basically came back right to the HLB down here again, and spout, and with the support of the profit pivot line. So I'm hoping for at least a pullback up to these profit pivot lines, where I will take my profits, and as soon as the next bar paints, I will move my stop to break even in case that doesn't work out. So I'm going to put it on pause now, and once it's done, I'll come back and let you know how it worked out. Okay, later. Just a quick little update here. I am going to move my stop up to break even right there. The next bar is painted, and we shall see if we can make it all the way up here to where my profit target is at. I'll be back at you in a little bit, going back to pause. Another little update here while I was waiting for the euro trade to work out. I got a perfect entry for a short on the Dow. Profit pivot arrow down, wait for the next bar, turned red, went short. Going to try to scalp 10 ticks out of that. Okay, be back when I know how they both work out. Later. Alright, so we got stopped out of this one at break even, 62.50. So that one didn't work out for us, but as you can see, the Dow trade seems to be going our way for now. And just to review, entered on this red bar here after the profit pivot arrows. So trying to scalp 10 ticks there. I think what I'll wait on here on the euro is either for another green bar to print to enter, or even would be better if this dropped down to this lower profit pivot line and got another profit pivot arrow. Even that would make that an even more desirable trade to take. So we'll see what happens. I'll be back at you, going back to pause. Update here. It's the next bar painted on each of the euro and the Dow trade. I moved my stop to break even here on the Dow trade as well. And just to clarify, because it was textually abused by one of my subscribers, I said, why are you saying you're going to break even and you made 62 bucks on the euro trade? Well, what I'm doing is I'm covering my expenses for the trade, commissions and things like that. That's why. So break even to me is +1 tick, just so that's clear. All right, so the plan here, here is the plan right now. Let's go long. Shizzle, I think I missed it. Well, maybe I'll get filled on the backlash here. I hate chasing a trade, but for this particular one, I'm gonna do it. Oh, cool. Alright, so I got an okay fill there. So I'm back long on the euro, and it looks like my Dow trade here is about to become profitable for me as well. So I will report back to you and let you know what happens at the end of the trades. Bye. Another quick update here. Looks like I may get stopped out of the Dow trade at break even as well. A couple questions from subscribers that I wanted to address. A lot of them are saying, why are you setting your stops so tight today? And there's a reason for that. Today is options expiration day, and what market makers do on option expiration day is they run people's stops. So what the price behavior reflects is them slapping the price around to try to get people knocked out of their positions. So I'm very cautious on this day because I know it's not unusual for them to slap this price around through some pretty broad ranges, and you could lose a lot of money if you're not careful on a day like today. So that's the reason for the very tight stops today. Just an update of note on our trades right now. The Dow trade I think is going to get stopped out here like in a second. And the Euro trade's working out, but we've come up against 1300 point, quiet kitty. That is a round number support resistance. Pricing tends to stall at this point, so what I'm hoping is it'll break through that point, because if it breaks through 1300, it should rocket up to my profit target, which I see here that I need to adjust. So that's it for now, and I will be back at you again in a little bit. Okay, so I got a little Jan Hammer playing in the background here while I trade, feeling very Miami Vice. And we are like just ticks away from our goal. And maybe even watch it real time here while I'm talking to you, because I have to take my son to work, and there we go. Yes, I love it when that happens. Ka-ching. All right, so here's the trade. Got in on the green bar. That was a pullback to an old HLB line, pivot support and arrow, and spout down, reversal. Stopped out the first time at break even, tight stops because it's option expiration day. Wait for another green bar. Got it, got in, and then got out at the higher pivot line. The other trade was here on the Dow, went short on the red bar here, but then only got stopped out with a break even because it reversed on us. So 25, 1300, I'm done, and it's 7:20 in the morning. I'm gonna go take a nap. All right, good trading with you guys today. I will maybe be back at you on the weekend with a weekend update. Okay, see you later. Have a nice weekend. Bye.